Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be opening these Barbie blind bags. Fun for everyone. So I'm super duper excited. So let's open it up. I'm super duper excited. By the way, these are homemade, so we're just unboxing to enjoy y'all. So yeah. Which Barbie blind bag should we open first? Let's open the first one first. Okay. I'm just going to use scissors to open it up. Carefully, don't want to cut the thing inside. Here, we're gonna cut it. There. Oh, I think we damaged our item inside. Carefully, carefully, careful. And whoa, okay. Maybe we have your tons of stuff. So we have this little mouse and then go. Oh my goodness, we have a Barbie sandwich. It's so cool. Okay, another mouse. A Barbie tiara. It's so pretty. A teapot wrapped in tissue. These are so pretty shoes. I love these shoes. They're so pretty. And last but not least, we have some washi tape. I think it's a fun accessory here. So yeah, this is what it was in our first box. There. Let's open our second one. This time I'm just gonna do it by hand. There. Okay, here we have a chicken. Let's see what's inside of this chicken. Is it a duplicate sandwich? Okay, let's open the next one. Maybe it's not. Oh, we got the pink glass. This is super duper pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm kind of getting sleepy now. Okay, because seeing that moon. Oh my goodness. This is such a pretty tiara again, but this is a different design. And yeah, the last one is another pack of tape. I think the sandwich is a must, and so is the tape. So now we're gonna open our final box, which just seems a little bit larger. Oh, it opened from the bottom. Never mind, we'll start from the bottom. Another moon. Oh, it's a cute bag. And let's see this one. Okay, it's a teapot. And oh, more washi tape. I'm waiting for that crown. What's this? Bag! This is so cute! And oh, this is the last one. And it feels round. Oh my goodness, this is a shawarma. That looks so cool. It even has foil wrapped over it, which is even awesome. So guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please remember to subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye bye.